In this video, we will be installing the handrail to the Lippert Victory Step. First, unscrew the fastening knobs attaching the handrail to the steps. Next, align the short end of the handrail tube with the top bracket on the left side of the step and the long end of the handrail tube with the bottom bracket. Then slide both ends of the handrail tube through the brackets and align with the holes in the back tube. Then, screw the fastening knob through the holes in the handrail and into the back of the tube of the step.